Hello and welcome to video number 8 in a series of videos that cover the basics of stock investing. In this video, I will talk about the financial statements. The easiest way to think about the financial statements, that is a form of communication between a company and their current investors, future investors, and creditors. Publicly traded companies have to publish their financial statements for every quarter and for the whole year as well. If you are an investor or creditor, then you need to know how the company is doing in their day-to-day operations, how much profit they are making, and be able to forecast future profit before you invest or loan money to that company. One of the regulations that the public companies have to comply with is that the annual financial statements have to be audited by an external accounting company, while the quarterly statements are only reviewed. There are 4 financial statements, and they are the income statement, balance sheet statement, cash flow statement, and shareholders' equity statement. The income statement shows all the revenues and expenses that the company had for a certain period of time, while the balance sheet statement shows the financial position at a certain point of time. The cash flow statement shows all the cash transactions from operations, financing, and investing activities. Shareholders' equity statement shows the items that cause the change in shareholders' equity between the beginning and the end of the year. There are different ways to view any public company financial statements. Probably the easiest way is to use your brokerage account. The other easy way is to use Yahoo Finance website. So if you go to the website and search any ticker symbol, and then go to the Financials tab, you'll be able to view the different financial statements on an annual basis or quarterly basis. But probably the most accurate way to view the financial statements is by viewing them from the SEC website directly. So if you go to the website, on the top right, click on Company Filings, you'll go to their system that's called EDGAR. That stands for the Electronic Data Gathering, Analysis, and Retrieval System. You can search any ticker symbol, and then you have to choose the annual report or quarterly report, and from those reports you will be able to view the different financial statements. In the next video, I will talk about the income statement. If you think you learned something new today, please subscribe and hit the like button.